Right, so this is a TDS meter. In the end there, it's got two prongs, and that's going to measure the parts per million of what's in this container. Set our water off. We'll press the on button. As you can see there, it's saying 000. So we're going to wash out this container with the water from one of the pencil jets. As you can see in there, it's got some water in. Now initially that is saying 8 parts per million. Yeah, this is dirty at the moment, so we're going to just wash it out continuously for a minute, and hopefully, not that it needs to, because we only want there you go, 0 now. So that's now it's washed out completely. Let's wash it out again just to make sure. We'll put the TDS meter in the water, and as you can see it says 000. If we wanted to, we could use the water up to 13, so 013, and it still would be okay.